Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here, Cointiply, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit or is this a fake website? Okay, can you really earn free Bitcoin from here? Let's check it out. Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Okay, I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Cointiply to find out whether this is a good way to earn or a bad way to earn. Maybe there are better ways online out there, right? Now, Cointiply is basically a GPT style website. Get paid to click website. You can do different tasks on here, but they pay out specifically using crypto currency, and I'll show you that in a second, okay? Now, it's a pretty cool website. If you look at this, there's a lot of different things that you can do, right? You can play games to earn, you can complete tasks, you can do different offers, you can watch videos. I'm gonna log in and I'm gonna show this to you, and then you can do this if you want. All right, so I'm logged in right here, and it's a pretty comprehensive platform. There's a lot of stuff that you can do. So if you come to the top right here where it says activity and payments, you're gonna see that there's a bunch of stuff that you can do. All right, so sorry, if you go to earn coins, right? So the first of all, if you look on the right hand side, okay, surveys and offers, it basically is a standard GPT website. I've reviewed a lot of these GPT style websites, right? You can do something called offer walls, you can complete surveys, you can watch videos, you can install mobile apps, right, which are basically offers, okay? And you will get paid specifically for doing these different tasks. So let's run through them a little bit, right? Now, an offer wall is basically where you can download different trials and things like that, right? So you can come here, for example, and they work with a lot of the very, very large offer walls, okay? So you can basically download offers, you can download games, right? And with each game, for example, depending on how far you go in the game, like if you download Blackjack 21 and you hit a certain level, they're gonna pay you a certain amount of coins. Like look at this, level 15, you get 2,860 coins, sorry, right? Level 30, you get 14,000 coins. Level 50, you get 25,000 coins. So the thing is that you can earn quite a lot from some of these offers, but in order for you to hit level 15 or even level 50, it's going to take you a while, right? You're not going to do that in a day. It might take you a week, it might take you a few days. Some people will never even hit level 50 because it can be quite difficult, right? But you can potentially make quite a lot with the downloadable offers, okay? So you might just need to spend a little bit of time on it, right? Now, some of them are a little bit easier, okay? You might just need to open this particular BitLabs or offer, and then you just download the offer, you take a free trial. Some of them will require you to put your credit card information down, but this is one way that you can start earning by actually going through the offer wall. All right, now another way is to complete surveys. Okay, surveys are pretty standard. You fill them out 10 to 15 minutes. You earn a specific amount of coins every time you finish a survey, and that is pretty much it, right? Watching videos, you're literally watching videos. That's it. We'll talk about whether that's good or not. And then on the Cointiply side, there are a few cool little things that you can do. So if you check out roll the faucet, for example, right? If I click on roll the faucet right here, there's this thing right here that pops up, and you can do this. You can roll and win. This usually pops up every hour or every couple of hours, depending on your personal situation. If I click roll and win right here, okay, what I'll have to do is I'll have to submit a captcha code, and roll. I don't know why it's not loading up for me. So again, it depends on where you are in the world. Okay, here the captcha finally popped up for me. It's just a little bit slow. Right, this website is overall a little bit slow for me. I don't know why. And then once you roll, if you hit between a certain numbers, then they will give you a certain amount of coins. Okay, so you can do this every single hour. Motorcycles. I'm going to verify. Okay, and then I'm going to submit captcha and roll. Let's see if what number I get. Okay, so I get 60,000. I got 27 coins, right? So 12 coins. That's weird. It says 27 and then prime numbers pay an extra 27 coins. I won 12 coins, which is cool. I'm going to click on close, right? And then basically I can claim again in about an hour. All right, so if I were you, I would just come in here, roll every hour if you're using Cointiply a lot, and you can earn some extra coins right there, right? Just for being part of Cointiply, right? View PTC ads. These are paid to click ads where you click on them and you'll make a certain amount of money every time you click on them. The multiplier is another game that they have where you can basically bet some of your coins, and it's just luck. It's kind of like gambling, right? You bet some money, you click on it, you win or you don't win. But remember, you have to bet your coins. Okay, right now I've got 12 coins. So once I add up a little bit more, I could come here and I could play the multiplier if I wanted to. All right. Now, if you want to withdraw, you come to activity and payments and you click on withdraw coins. All right. Now, the nice thing about Cointiply is that they pay out at pretty low levels. Okay, so on the right hand side, you can see right here. So let me just click this closed. Basically, I can withdraw from Bitcoin, Doge, Dash, and Litecoin, right? So they only pay out using these methods. And if you take a look at this, in order for me to withdraw Bitcoin, I need 50,000 coins. And now 10,000 coins is equal to $1. Okay, so you have to earn quite a lot of coins to earn money, right? So you saw some of the examples earlier, right? You fill out a survey, you make 10, 20 coins, that kind of thing, right? You play a game, you earn 27 coins, that kind of thing. So it's not worth that much, right? 10,000 coins is equal to $1. 50,000 coins is equal to $5. So if I want to withdraw Bitcoin, I must have at least 50,000 coins, which is $5. So that's the minimum. With Doge, Litecoin, and Dash, is 30,000 coins, which is $3. So the withdrawal threshold is not that high. It's pretty normal. The nice thing is that there are no fees for withdrawing, all right, which is pretty cool, okay? But you have to wait until you've got at least 30,000 coins if you want to actually withdraw. And that's kind of how you withdraw. Then you withdraw directly to your wallet. You just connect your wallet right here, and that's it, all right? So the big difference with Cointiply is that it's like any other standard GPT website. The only difference is you can do some additional things on the Cointiply side, and then you can do all the standard things like offer walls, filling out surveys, watching videos, and downloading mobile apps. Pretty standard, okay? Now the big question is how much money can you really make from this? Okay, so let me give you averages, right? So the worst things to do on this website is to watch any ads and watch videos. Those are the worst ways to earn, all right? Now, on average, if you watch about 10 videos or you click on 10 ads, that will earn you roughly about 1 cent. It's really, really little, all right? So which means that if you want to earn anywhere close to $1 watching videos or clicking on ads, you have to literally click on thousands of these ads and watch thousands of these videos. It's a very, very long process, okay, for you to earn money that way. The quickest way to earn money on Cointiply is to download the offers and complete the surveys. That's the best way to earn money on GPT websites. But even then, how much can you really earn? Roughly, it's kind of like this, okay? So it depends on a lot of factors. It depends on how many offers you're doing, how good you are at the offers, right? Are you playing video games? Are you downloading trials? How quickly are you filling out the surveys? And also where you live in the world. If you live in a country like the US or Canada, where they generally have better offers and they have better surveys, you might be able to make a little bit more money. If you live in other countries like certain parts of Asia, South America, things like that, where they don't have as many offers and as many high-paying surveys, then you're going to earn less, okay? But on average, it's kind of like this, right? If you spend about 2 hours a day on Cointiply, expect to earn anywhere from $1 to $2, to roughly about $3 to $4, depending on where you live in the world, okay? So it's not a lot of money, and it does take quite a lot of time, right? And you have to be very patient. You have to click through stuff. You have to constantly take action on a lot of things. So really, you're trading a lot of time for very, very little money, all right? But it is free, it's global, and it is legit. Cointiply has been around for quite a long time, and you can make some money on the side here. Now, it's not great money. You can't quit your full-time job, you can't travel the world, nothing like that, but you can make a little bit of money here, right? So on average, if you're chipping away at this maybe 2 hours a day, expect to earn about $30, $50, maybe if you're lucky, $100 per month. All right, that's kind of what you can expect from this website. So if you want to check out Cointiply, you can just head over to cointiply.com and you can come up to the top right here and you can sign up, and you can literally sign up from anywhere in the world. So if you want to check it out, cointiply.com. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make big money. Now, remember, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies on how to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And out of all the good strategies that I've tested, right, there's one strategy that I used to change my life completely. I used it to quit my full-time job. I make multiple 5 figures a month because of this strategy. I think it's great for beginners. You can do this from anywhere in the world. If you want to check it out, I've got a free masterclass that shows you step-by-step how to do that, right? Just click the link all the way at the bottom of the video. I hope you enjoyed this review of Cointiply. I wish you all the best. See you on another video review. Take care.